Well, for those who have hummingbird feeders or gardens, yes, the hummingbirds are still here, at least some of them. Obviously, migration is underway, but it won't be long and they'll be gone. So continue to feed them if you can. Still juicing up. Jim Carpenter captured that shot from today. It's been a day where we started with the sun and then those clouds continue to steadily roll in this afternoon. There's our view currently as we look off to the south and southwest from Scott Stadium here this evening. And yes, we'll have some showers developing here this evening and tonight. We're currently 76 at the airport, touched 81 for the high today, 76 currently in Madison. We have 77 in Palmyra, 73 there in Waynesboro, a pair of 74s both in Stanton and in Harrisonburg. There's a look at the satellite and radar combination combined. You see some of the steadier rain moving in from the west. This is fairly light, but more in the way of some rain breaking out along the I-81 corridor, and that'll continue to expand east as we head through the next several hours. General rainfall amounts, probably a quarter inch, maybe optimistically some could get half an inch. That would be great. Of course, it's moderate drought conditions, any rain appreciated, but generally light amounts, but we'll take what we can get. Temperatures tonight will remain in the mid to lower 60s. Those showers will take us to the early pre-dawn hours of Wednesday, then start to taper off. And we'll start to see improving conditions for Wednesday, but cooler than today. We'll hold in the lower 70s across much of central Virginia, around 70 or some low 70s across the Shenandoah Valley. Breezy conditions, yes. Winds will shift out of the northwest and then more northerly. We'll have some gusts 15, 25 miles an hour. That'll allow cooler, drier air to filter in behind this front, and that'll set the stage for the chilliest air mass so far of the early autumn season. So as we move into Thursday morning, we'll have lows anywhere from the upper 30s to mid 40s. There could be some patchy frost in the valley, and then highs here on Thursday and Friday only in the low and mid 60s, so that's below average. It'll look like Thursday night into Friday morning. That's the best threat opportunity for some frost. Of course, each year is different. This is based on climatology, 30-year averages. It's not unusual to have first frost by October the 10th in the valley. Normally across central Virginia, it's a little later toward the end of the month, but there is that frost potential, especially Thursday night into Friday. So there's our showers as we head through the overnight, early morning hours of Wednesday. Clouds will start to give way to clearing, afternoon highs in the lower 70s, and then a chillier overnight as we head into early Thursday morning with upper 30s to mid 40s. By Thursday afternoon, we're in the cool low and mid 60s, and that'll take us to finish out the week. Cold fronts back west of Columbus and Cincinnati. That'll continue to push off to our south and east by early tomorrow morning, and you can see some of the rain that'll impact the regions we had through the overnight. That same front will stall along the southeast coast and help give rise to an area of low pressure that may complicate the weekend and early next week forecast, because a coastal storm will set up shop here and it may bring additional rain our way, which wouldn't be a bad thing, but a lot of coastal hazards over the next several days throughout the southeast and even the mid-Atlantic into this weekend. This is Jerry, Tropical Storm Jerry, the 10th named storm of the Atlantic hurricane season. Just over 1,100 miles from the northern Leeward Islands, is set to become a hurricane. Right now, the future forecast track would take it east of the island of Bermuda. Here's our forecast for tonight. Showers will continue. Temperatures will settle into the 60s. It's cooler. It's drier ahead. And yeah, this will be the chilliest air mass so far of the early autumn season, and there will at least be a frost threat, more so across the region Thursday night into Friday morning. We'll keep it mostly cloudy right now, but we could have more showers as we head through this weekend. You're probably going to wonder, what's this accessory? Well, yeah. I'm wearing this sling because I did have a cycling accident over the weekend. Thankfully, I'm okay, but I did break a bone, and I will have to have surgery next week, so this will be kind of my new reality for a while.
Yeah, I know we've already had a few viewers call in and ask, so a lot of us, I speak for a lot of us when I say we're just happy that you're okay.
Thank you.
And we hope surgery goes well, and we know that you'll be back to normal in no time.
Put a coat on.
Yeah, 'tis the season.